Powerful websites you need to know, part 15. So the first site I'm going to talk about is photo. So just like its name goes, this is for photo editing online. So let's hop on here and see the tools they have here. They have a lot of tools. You can crop images, you can resize images, you can circle crop, you can blur background, you can photo frame, you can do a lot with photo. So you just need to hop on here, create an account, upload your image here and start editing on here. So the second site is Juro. So Juro is for contracts. So if you want to, create a contract, but then you want to do it digitally when it comes to signing and everything, this site is for you. So this is their product. You can AI review, you can sign on there, you can, negotiate, you can approve, you can do a lot when it comes to digital contracts. Third site I'm going to talk about in this video is Notion. So Notion is also for project management. So if you are a project manager, I think this site is for you. It's going to help you do a lot. You can see your mail here, your calendar and the rest. It's been trusted by a lot of top teams like OpenAI, Figma and the rest. Simple and easy to use. You need to hop on here, create an account, get an account for free and start using it. If you think the site is good for you, you can go on and get a premium version and manage all your projects then with this site. And that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.